Hello guys, how are you all? Tropical Storm Bret could approach Lesser Antilles as rare zone hurricane. Tropical Storm Bret has formed and could become a threat to the Lesser Antilles, possibly as Hurricane Bret later this week due to record warm zone water in the Atlantic Ocean. This newly formed system is about halfway between the Lesser Antilles and Western Africa in the Atlantic Ocean. The National Hurricane Center began issuing forecast advisories on this system late Monday morning as it had enough low level spin and thunderstorm near it to be designated to designated a tropical cyclone. What is the forecast? This system will move towards the west northwest over the next several days. On its path, it could near the Lesser Antilles by late this week or weekend. It is expected to gain strength and possibly become a hurricane by later this week. The uncertain threat of the Antilles. There appears to be two scenarios regarding this newly formed system. Scenario 1, the system could move faster in stay 1 or more west of 2 west northwest track. If that were to happen, it would arrive in the Lesser Antilles later this week. Scenario 2, the system could gain strength for more quickly, move more slowly, but also cruise to the northwest or north, avoiding the Lesser Antilles into the center and Atlantic. Not only are there track uncertainties, but also intensity unknown, especially given the wide nature of this happening east of the Antilles in June. For now, those in the lesser Antilles should simply monitor the progress of the system. What about the second system? The NHC is also monitoring a second system for development about another cluster of shore located further to the east over the eastern Atlantic south of the Cabo Verde Island. This second system, now tagged in West 93L, may also become a tropical depression or perhaps a tropical storm as it continues moving westward. This tagging system is used to track and investigate systems that are likely to develop and to allocate additional resources to the system, including the hurricane hunters and specialized computer models. For now, it's no immediate threat to land. Record ocean warmth is providing fuel. One favorable factor for development is ocean warmth. All other factors equal, warmer ocean water can provide more fuel for tropical system to intensify. Over the stripe of the Atlantic Ocean between Africa and the Lesser Antilles is an area known as the Mean Development Region, where many intense hurricanes get their start. Ocean temperatures there have smashed mercury records. Water temperature near Cabo Verde and points west into the central tropical and Atlantic are generally in the low 80s, which is sufficient heating for tropical development. WPLG TV hurricane expert Michel noted these sea surface temperatures are more typical of the heart of hurricane season, early September rather than June. Water temperatures in the proximity of this system are 2 to 5 degrees above average. The stream is far too lighter than usual trade winds from the weaker than average Bermuda Azores high. According to Brain McNulty, tropical scientist, the University of Miami, there's a more favorable development environment than usual for this time of year. Forecast models suggest wind shear which usually rips apart tropical system, may be absently larger than usual for this time of year over the next few days. We do expect each system to face increased wind shear closer to the Antilles, which could cause east to weaken at some point. Also, while satellite imagery indicates some patches of dry air east of the Lesser Antilles, some computer forecast models suggest these systems may be able to stay in the pocket of more humid air for at least some time during their trip westward. Dry air, typical inhibit tropical development. This wind, this would be a wide phase of storm to develop in June. Only about 6% of all storms from in June because of all the hostile forecasts were discussed earlier of the June storm